Hello students, once again welcome to my channel Learn English and Win the World. बच्चों, पिछली कई क्लासेस में हम लोगों ने नाउन्स के बारे में डिटेल स्टडी की है. I have been explaining you the different aspects of noun, that is nouns number, nouns gender. Thereby you came to know that they are nouns alone which are countable and which can be numbered. They are nouns alone which can be categorized as masculine and feminine. And now today in this video I am going to deal with a third aspect of noun, that is nouns possession. They are nouns alone once again who possess certain things. We know that noun is the name of a person, place or thing. But only let me tell you, the living things can have something in their possession. So we use nouns possession for all the living things, and the basically to show the nouns possession, the apostrophe mark or the apostrophe s which we use, it is only in relation to the nouns person and nouns animals. Nouns non-living things do not take an apostrophe s because they do not possess anything by their own. Let us understand it by the use of different sentences. अगर हम ये लिखते हैं, the books of Sita are in the car, or the dog bit the tail of the cat. These sentences look and sound a bit awkward. They can rather be rewritten in a different way, like the we can write these sentences in a different way. Sita's books are in the car. Or let's say the dog bit the cat's tail. What is this mark called? इस मार्क को क्या कहते हैं? इस मार्क को हम apostrophe कहते हैं. Apostrophe means possession. यहाँ पर Sita's book show the possession of books by Sita, यानी कि वो किताबें सीता की हैं, सीता की बिलोंगिंग है. कैट्स टेल, यानी कि वो टेल किसकी थी? कैट की थी. वो कैट की बिलोंगिंग है. सो apostrophe shows possession. This is another third aspect of noun other than number and gender. अब इस apostrophe s का यूज हम कैसे करते हैं? सिंगुलर नाउन्स में एपोस्ट्रॉफी का यूज हम कॉमा के बाद एस लगाकर करते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द टिकट ऑफ द पैसेंजर. दिस कैन बी रिटन एज द पैसेंजर्स टिकट. वो टिकट किसकी पोजीशन है, टिकट किसकी बिलोंगिंग है, टिकट पैसेंजर की है, इसलिए वी हैव यूज्ड द अपॉस्ट्रोफी एस विद द पैसेंजर्स टिकट. द बैग ऑफ द बॉय कैन बी रिटन एज द बॉयज बैग. So, in singular nouns, we use S with apostrophe. But what about the plural nouns? The plural nouns which end with S, the plurals that take S with them, in that case, the possession is showed only by the apostrophe mark and not with the S after apostrophe. इसमें प्लूरल नाउन्स जो एस से एंड होते हैं उनके साथ हम एस के बाद सिर्फ एक एपोस्ट्रोफी लगाते हैं, वापस से एपोस्ट्रोफी के बाद एस नहीं लगाते हैं क्योंकि इसको उच्चारण करने में डिफिकल्टी होती है, इसलिए यूजिंग एस आफ्टर एपोस्ट्रोफी इज अवॉइडेड इन केस ऑफ द प्लूरल नाउन्स दैट एंड अप विथ एस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी डू नॉट से द बैग्स of the boys. It cannot be written the boys' bags. This is wrong. It can be written the boy, an apostrophe, no more S, the boys' bags. तो प्लूरल नाउन्स में जो एस से खत्म होते हैं प्लूरल्स, उनमें सिर्फ एपोस्ट्रोफी का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, एपोस्ट्रोफी के बाद एस का इस्तेमाल नहीं किया जाता. दिस इज द यूज ऑफ एपोस्ट्रोफी और यूज टू शो पोजीशन बाय एपोस्ट्रोफी ओनली एंड नॉट एन एस आफ्टर द एपोस्ट्रोफी. Students, we know noun is the name of a person, place and thing. The non-living things do not have a possession of their own. It is only the man and the animals who have the possessions, and hence for their possessions we use apostrophe S. But for the non-living things we do not use apostrophe S. So entrance exams में कई बार ये एरर भी आता है जो कि बच्चों को समझना चाहिए कि एरर कहाँ पर है. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर ये सेंटेंस आता है द टेबल्स लेग्स, फाइंड द एरर इन दिस सेंटेंस. द एरर इज हियर बिकॉज टेबल इज अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग and it cannot have its own possession. So we cannot use an apostrophe S with the table. This can instead be written as the legs of the table. Again, the coat's pockets. Where is the error? The error again is in quotes. Because this can be written and this should be written as the pockets of the coat. So students, here we end up the chapter or the first part of speech, the nouns. In this course of teaching nouns, you came to know different sets of vocabulary, different aspects of nouns, that nouns can be singular, plural, which comes under nouns number. Nouns alone can have genders which can be categorized as masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Again, the third aspect of noun, that is noun's possession. Nouns alone can possess things, that too the man and the animal or the person or the animal, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के साथ एपोस्ट्रोफी एस का इस्तेमाल वर्जित होता है, हम नहीं लगाते हैं. तो आपको ये भी समझ में आ गया कि एरर कहाँ पे होता है. अगर इस तरह के सेंटेंसेस आ जाएं So you can very well find out the error in this sentence, that the error is here. And again error उसमें भी हो सकता है जब plural में अगर boys के बाद again s होता है, this is also wrong. Plural nouns के साथ we only use the apostrophe mark, not the. But there are certain plurals, students, which do not end up with s. बिना s वाले प्लूरल के साथ हम जरूर apostrophe s लगाते हैं. The plurals like children, they are plural without s. Men, women, etc. We can say the children's bags. Because children is a plural without s, so we an apostrophe and s is used after the apostrophe mark. We write it as children's bags. We can also write the women's purses. Women is also a noun, plural noun without s, so we can use s after the apostrophe in women also. So the nouns which do not, the plural nouns which do not end with s can take apostrophe s, but the nouns that plural nouns that end with s do not take an s after the apostrophe, they only take an apostrophe mark. So this is all about nouns possession. In the next class we shall come up with another part of speech, that is pronoun, and what are the related errors in the usage of pronouns. It will be very clear in the coming up videos. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.